Right, welcome to Writing for the Workplace. My name is Mr. Ward. I just wanted to record this video to give you a quick, brief overview of the class, kind of what to expect. This is a very, very streamlined version of the syllabus. Please, please, please read the syllabus thoroughly. If you have questions, ask me. But I also want to do a quick little video preview as well. So, we're going to get into this. All right, so this is Writing for the Workplace online. I am Professor Frank Ward. Anyway, all right. The goals for this video: we're going to learn course basics, what to expect, and actually rhetorical situations and appeals you will learn in your first module. So, very quickly, office hours. There's two quote-unquote office hours. One is discussion board and Canvas. So if I come back to our class, which I have open somewhere. All right, if you go in Canvas to discussions, the pinned discussion will be office hours. You can always ask a question there, especially if it would help the entire class. That is something we absolutely want to do. If it's an individual question, you can certainly post it there. You can also email me, or even in Canvas, you can, in the inbox in Canvas, send me a note too. Generally, I will check the office hours discussion thread at least once a day, Monday through Saturday. Sunday, I will absolutely try to, but I want to give myself a one day kind of off if I need it. Same thing with inbox on here, emails, I check routinely. So weekdays, you'll get a response within 24 hours, usually sooner. Weekends, I'm going to say 48 hours, but again, usually much sooner. But those are the guarantees. I'll make 24 and 48 hours. So that is the office hours. You can also, if you want to do a virtual kind of Zoom meeting, just send me a note. We'll set up a time that's convenient for you as well as myself. We'll work it out. All right, I put a link in the introduction module on Canvas, but you can also text. This stands for Writing for the Workplace Fall, not WFT, not the other. You just text that to 81010 or click the link to join, and I will try to send out reminders of when stuff's due. I'm going to communicate regularly, big time, every week, kind of saying, here, guys, here's what's coming up, but also want to do that as like a little extra if you need it. If you run into problems with writing or have questions beyond, like, I'm here to help. You want me to look at your documents 2, 3, 4, 5 times, I absolutely will. But sometimes it's good to get like another voice. So the Rowan Writing Center, they do essays, presentations, videos, they have social media, public speaking. They have online. So if you're on the Glassboro campus, you could drop in, but otherwise online, you can just go to rowanwritingcenter.com, I think, and make an appointment. If you need help with that, let me know. Goals for the class. Again, these are the syllabus. This is just a quick version of it. Be able to recognize workplace writing as a rhetorical practice. If you don't remember the rhetorical situation from College Comp 1, no worries. Module 1, we go back over that. Anyway, it's a practice that requires you to make choices about the content, what you actually write, how you organize it, the style that you write with. Analyze the rhetorical strategies and apply them to professional writing. So, certain audiences, you're going to communicate better with certain actual word choice, the genre you choose, whether it's a social media post, a memo, a formal document, whatever. We're going to incorporate the writing process, researching, brainstorming, which is invention's fancy word for brainstorming, writing, revising, editing. Yes, we shall trust the process, but we'll actually win a championship with our process. If you're a Sixers fan, you get what I'm saying. All right. Also develop teamwork and project management skills. Produce accessible, well-designed written documents. Gather, evaluate, interpret information. Organize it. How is it going to be accurate? Is it logical? Ethics. Do we use it responsibly? So those are just some of the goals. Our major assignments: the first one, so take the first couple weeks, job application package. You're going to find a job posting, do a cover letter and a resume, and then reflect on the process at the end. The second project is a group project. Don't stress. And this is online. There are ways to make this work. And you're going to kind of research equity in the workplace. We'll get into what that is when that time comes. Our last one, you're going to research a workplace communication kind of proposal. Pick a workplace, kind of learn a little bit about how they communicate, and see if we can make recommendations to improve. Again, more will come with that later, but you will actually find an actual workplace. So it could be somewhere you work now, place you've interned, want to work. We'll talk about that as that time comes. Grades. Everybody wants to know these things. 20%, your job application package. Next 30% would be that group project. 30% for your final project of the communication analysis. 15% will be our class discussion, so we want to make sure we do a good job with those and don't just blow those off. I mean, you can do the math. We don't do them, 15%, that's assuming everything else is perfect. You're down to a mid-B already. So they are important. And 5%, there will be a final reflection at the end of the course, which, again, more information will come. Quick overview here. Due dates closer than they appear. Things happen. I will always take your late assignments. There might be a penalty. If you're routinely turning things in late, we need to have a discussion, because that's not something you want to be doing in the workplace. 1 or 2 things here and there, probably be okay. But again, we'll just keep an eye on it. If it's 4 weeks later, you're probably going to lose a significant amount of points. So just if there's issues come up, my biggest thing I'm going to tell you is communicate with me. As long as you communicate with me, we'll be fine. We'll figure things out. I know life happens. I'm here for you. I'm going to do my best to be visible within an online community, weekly updates, that kind of thing. But again, if something comes up, just let me know. If you don't tell me, I don't know, and I can't really help you as much. Other than that, look forward to working with each of you. And other than that, 40 is out.